Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Xampp or Xampp and run WordPress. So in Google, just type Xampp download. Go to the first link which says download Xampp. So I'll click on download Xampp and download the version depending on the operating system. I'm going to download Xampp for Windows 8.0.30. First option, so download. Here there's an option to click if your download does not start automatically. You can click here, but for me my download has already started. So my download is almost complete. My download is complete. I've saved my Xampp executable file on my desktop. Let's install Xampp. So this is my desktop. This is the Xampp for Windows I've downloaded. Let's install Xampp. Double clicking. The installation steps after double clicking on Xampp for Windows. I'll click on next. Go to next. Click on next. Then I'm installing my Xampp in C. You can change here by clicking here if you don't want it to be installed in your C drive. I'll leave it in my C. I'll click on next. I want English for the language. Then setup is ready. I'll go to next. The installation process can take a few minutes, so I'm going to fast forward. If there's a pop-up, just click on allow. So here we finish our installation. We finish. To use Xampp, we have to start Apache and MySQL. There's a Xampp control panel, so I'm going to start Apache. So start Apache. Then I'm going to start MySQL. Start MySQL, so that we can use a Xampp. So here there's a pop-up. I'll just click allow because I have a file. So if you have a file, you can always click on allow. My Apache has started by saying stop. My MySQL has started by saying stop. And MySQL is running on port 3306. Let's access the admin page. Access the PHP admin page in Xampp. So open any of your favorite browsers and type in the URL http colon 2 forward slashes localhost 1 / php myadmin. So once you type this, then press on the enter key so that you can access the PHP myadmin page where you'll be able to create the database. So press enter. We are in the PHP myadmin page. To create the database in PHP myadmin, you can come here where it says new, or you can come here where it says databases. So I'll click where it says databases. Then here I'll create a new database. So I'll name my database. I'll call it sample database. Say sample underscore db. Database we're going to use to configure WordPress. So after you've named your database, you click on create. So you can see the name is appearing here, sample underscore db. Installed Xampp. We need to download a WordPress by going to Google and just type WordPress download. We are looking for WordPress.org. So the version I'm downloading is WordPress 6.8.1. So I'll click on download. Just close the window. Thanking us for downloading WordPress. So our download has started. Let's wait for the download to finish. The recommendation that I use PHP 7.4 or greater, and MySQL version 8.0. I've already installed MySQL using Xampp. So I downloaded zipped file. WordPress will appear like this. So this is the file I've downloaded, WordPress 6.8.1. So I'm going to extract this file. It's still on my desktop. Let's extract it. So extract the file. I'll just say extract all. So I'm extracting it on my desktop. It's very important to do this process. So this is the newly extracted file for WordPress. This is the file you rename. So I'm going to rename this file so that my site will have that name. I'm renaming it from WordPress to my site. After you've renamed the folder to your site, you copy this folder. Here you can give you can name this folder to any name of your choice. I want my site to be called my site. Copy this file to our htdocs where we installed our Xampp. Usually it's found in C, so I'm going to copy that. I'm going to my C drive. As you can see, this PC local drive C. That's where I find the Xampp installation, the Xampp folder. So I'll open the Xampp folder. After opening the Xampp folder, I'm looking for the htdoc. So I'm looking for this htdocs file. I'm opening this file and paste the folder we renamed to my site. So I'm pasting my folder. This is a very important process so that our site can run on the local host. My file has been pasted here. As you can see, the path is from a local disk, Xampp, then htdocs. That's why I paste my file. This was the WordPress file we extracted and renamed it to my site. Then you go to your favorite browser. In your browser where you type your URL, you can type localhost / and the name of your site. I renamed ours to my site. That's what we named our site. If you didn't rename it, you're supposed to type WordPress here. Since we renamed ours, we're going to call it my site. Then just press enter. It brings you to this page. So once this pops up, just click on let's go. See the page where you enter your database name, the username for the database, and your password you created, if you created the password and the username. So for me, I'll just enter the database name, which is sample _db, the one we created, which is here. So this is the database we created, sample _db. That's the one I'm using here. Then I didn't create a username. Okay. So for the user, I'll just say root. The root user, since I didn't create a user. If you want, you can create a user. For me, just say root, and the password I'll leave it blank because I didn't create a password and I didn't create a user. So by default, to use the root user. So I submit. Then click on run the installation. Title of your site. Then this is the username you're going to be using to log into your WordPress admin so that you configure WordPress. And this is the password. You can change this to the password of your choice. The password you'll be using to log on to your admin. And then here you can enter your email, and then here you can decide what you want to do, whether you want to discourage search engines from indexing this site. So it's a local site. I'll just click on install WordPress. So WordPress has been installed. So thank you and enjoy. So let's log in. You need to log in with a username, user_n, and then I need to enter the password I created. So here I've entered my username and I've entered my password, so I can log into my WordPress admin. So I don't want to save since this is the admin page. This is how you can access the admin page of your WordPress and start making some pages. Just view the pages or pages. So there's this sample page. If you don't like the sample page, you can create your own page. So let's view the sample page by just going to view here. So click on view. So this is as you can see, to access other pages. So this is localhost, my site, sample page. This is how you can install WordPress on your local host.